In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check MetaQuest store purchase history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a clear, chronological record of your app purchases, free downloads, and any active subscription charges on your phone. Start by opening the MetaQuest store app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load the home screen. The purchase history you're about to see is linked to the account currently signed in on this app, so what appears here reflects that account's activity. A stable internet connection helps everything load quickly and accurately. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the Menu tab. Depending on your version, this might look like a three-line icon or a profile-style button. This section is your central hub for account-related options, billing, and app settings. If the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. Labels can vary slightly between app updates, but the key sections are the same. Inside the menu, find the section labeled Payments and Subscription. Within that section, select Purchase History. This opens a detailed chronological list of your activity. You'll see all paid purchases, including the title of each app or game, the date it was processed, and the amount charged. Free downloads appear in the same list with a $0 price, so you can easily distinguish what was paid versus free. If you use subscriptions, ongoing charges show here as well, so it's simple to track renewals and see when charges were applied. The purchase history view is designed to help you verify charges at a glance. It's especially useful if you're budgeting your VR spending, checking which apps you picked up during a sale, or confirming that a free trial converted into a paid subscription. You may also notice status indicators such as completed, pending, or refunded, which quickly explain the state of each transaction. If you ever compare this list to a bank statement, remember that posted dates and settlement times can differ slightly from what appears here. If you have a long history, keep in mind that the most recent activity appears at the top and older entries are listed as you go down. Payments and subscription is sometimes positioned a bit lower in the menu, so it might be below the fold on smaller screens. That's all there is to it. Open the MetaQuest Store app, go to the menu, and check purchase history under Payments and Subscription to see everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and confident about your MetaQuest purchases.